Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a gumball machine. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our gumball machine, I want to begin with the glass ball. And I'm just going to trace something circular. So I'm going to use this little paint palette and I just want to trace this. So to start off with this, we're just going to go right around here and make a nice circle shape. Now, once we have that, we're going to begin with the top. So to start with the top, I'm going to begin by drawing a line that goes up on each side. Then we're going to make a little line that comes across and connects. Starting here, let's make a little line that's going to go up and down for a little sad face. And down here, we're going to make a little line that's going to curve right around the bottom, and that's going to come up here. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that comes down, and another line that comes down here. I'll make a little line that comes here, and a little line that comes in right there. I'll add a little line down here and a little line down here. And we'll make a line that comes across. Now for the little slot, we're going to draw a line that goes over, up. It's going to come over and down. And we'll make another one. It's going to go up, over, and down. Now for the little turning device, we're just going to begin by making a circle for like that little knob that you turn to get your gumballs out. We'll draw a little line going diagonal and then another one here. Now starting up here, I want to put a little face on our gumball machine. So I'm going to make a circle right here for one eye. We'll leave some space, and I'll make another circle over here for another eye. I'm going to add a black dot inside each one. We'll make a line across for the mouth, and a big smiley face like this. Draw a little sad face for the tongue, and a couple little curved lines for some teeth. Now, for all of the gumballs in there, we just want to go and make some small little circle shapes. So when you do this, you just want to make some random little circle shapes in different spots all around here. And then you just want to fill in the area with other little circle shapes right around here. So I'm just going to add some little curved lines kind of all around here just to make the little gumball shapes. So I'm going to go a little bit faster through this part, and I'm just going to kind of fill it up with lots of little gumballs. Now, once you have all of the little gumballs drawn, then you are pretty much done. You could always add some extra little details on here if you want to add like an extra little gumball or two out there, or whatever you want to. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.